Three-dimensional, or 3D printers as they are commonly referred to, are becoming increasingly popular as the technology advances and costs decrease. Today, 3D printers can be found everywhere, from research laboratories in schools, universities and businesses, to factory floors, and even in some people's homes. As these devices become more common, concerns have been raised about chemicals, specifically volatile organic compounds, and ultrafine particles that are emitted during their use. In 2017, the Journal of Occupational and Environmental Hygiene published a study entitled, "Is 3D Printing Safe?" A news release from the American Conference of Government Industrial Hygienists about the study revealed that the authors found that 4 common filaments all emit VOCs even at temperatures below the printing temperature. To protect people from exposure to these VOCs, the same news release suggested one way to control VOC emissions from 3D printers is through photocatalytic filters, which use ultraviolet light to limit exposures. The authors add that good practice for using 3D printers includes good ventilation. While printing in a large, well-ventilated room is not a threat to the user, the use of a 3D printer in a room with poor ventilation could lead to a hazardous increase of VOCs in the air. These are just a few things to know about potential exposure risks to respirable chemicals and particulates associated with the use of 3D printers. To learn more about this or other indoor air quality, industrial hygiene, building science, environmental, health, or safety issues, please visit the website shown on the screen.
IAQ TV, the place to be.